Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will discuss about what is shared story on the Snapchat and how you can use this feature. So watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure, and if this video really helps you, do subscribe to my channel. So recently Snapchat has introduced shared story on the platform, which make it easier for the users to collaborate and share memories. This feature is basically an upgrade on the custom stories feature that allow user to create a story and add friends to it who can view and contribute. So now you can contribute or collaborate with your friends by using this feature. So how you can basically use this feature? So first of all, you have to go to the Play Store and you have to search for the Snapchat. Once you will search for the Snapchat, simply you have to click on this update button. Once you will click on this update button, simply your Snapchat will be updated. Now go back and open your Snapchat. Once you will open it, you have to click on the left top on your profile, and once you will here you will see new story options. So simply you have to click on it, and on the second option you will see new shared story. Simply click on it and click on the continue. After that you have to select the friend and click on the create story and click on the save. So this is the way you can use the shared story on the Snapchat.